Divide 584 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So, this 1 is less than 4. So, we put down this 8 and it is 18. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 2. So, this 2 is less than 4. So, we put down this 4 and it is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 584 divided by 4 is 146. So this much for today and thanks for watching.